Total insanity. Smash and grab robber uses a backhoe to do his dirty work. Smash and grab robberies are the latest trend in Democrat-run cities all across America. Thieves come in, take what they want, and leave without facing any consequences.
Meantime, police have arrested 3 suspects after another brazen smash and grab robbery inside an Inland Empire Lupita's Jewelers. Security cameras here capturing the thieves smashing their way into several display cases, stealing more than $40,000 worth of pricey jewelry.
But a smash and grab robber in California took things to a whole new level when they used a backhoe to steal an ATM. And Democrats wonder why anyone with an ounce of sanity is moving out of blue states?